Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the uses of WireShark. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Uses of WireShark. WireShark is a powerful network protocol analyzer that is widely used for network troubleshooting, analysis, software, and protocol development, and education. Here are some uses of WireShark. Number 1. Network troubleshooting. It helps diagnose and solve network problems by capturing and analyzing packets to identify issues like latency, packet loss, and configuration errors. Number 2, security analysis. WireShark can be used to detect suspicious network activity, analyze security breaches, and investigate network intrusions by examining packet contents. Number 3, protocol development and testing. Developers uses WireShark to debug and test network protocols and applications, ensuring they conform to standards and operate correctly. Number 4, network monitoring. It provides real-time monitoring of network traffic, helping administrators understand network behavior, identify bandwidth hogs, and optimize network performance. Number 5, educational purposes. WireShark is used in networking courses and workshops to demonstrate how networks operate, how protocols work, and how to analyze network traffic. Number 6, forensic analysis. In forensic investigations, WireShark helps reconstruct network activities, gather evidence, and analyze communication patterns. Number 7, VoIP monitoring or voice over IP monitoring. It can capture and analyze voice over IP VoIP traffic to troubleshoot call quality issues and ensure proper configuration of VoIP systems. 8, application performance analysis. WireShark can analyze how applications communicate over the network, helping to optimize performance and identify bottlenecks. Number 9, compliance monitoring. Organizations use WireShark to monitor network traffic for compliance with internal policies and external regulations. Number 10, lastly, packet capture for IoT devices. With the purification of IoT devices, WireShark can capture and analyze traffic to and from these devices, aiding in understanding their communication patterns and security implications. WireShark's versatility and extensive protocol support make it a valuable tool for network professionals, developers, security analysts, and educators alike. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the uses of WireShark. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.